The Aspidistra, more commonly known as the cast iron plant, has earned its reputation as one of the toughest houseplants around. It thrives in low light, tolerates neglect, and can survive in conditions that would challenge most other plants. Its deep green, glossy leaves have graced homes and gardens for generations, making it a favorite for those seeking a resilient touch of nature indoors or out. But beneath this hardy exterior, the cast iron plant has been hiding a fascinating secret for over a century. How exactly does it manage to get pollinated, especially when its flowers are so well concealed near the soil? For years, botanists puzzled over its small, almost hidden flowers, which bloom close to the ground and are easy to miss. Many believed that slugs and snails, which often crawl through the undergrowth, were responsible for pollinating these elusive blooms. However, recent scientific discoveries have turned that theory on its head. Researchers found that the real pollinators are actually tiny flies and shrimp-like amphipods. These small creatures are attracted to the Aspidistra's flowers by their unique scent and appearance, which closely mimic the look and smell of fungi. This clever mimicry is a remarkable example of adaptation. By imitating fungus, the Aspidistra lures in the right pollinators, ensuring its survival and reproduction. It's a subtle but ingenious strategy that highlights the complex and often surprising relationships found in nature. So, even the most familiar plants like the cast iron plant, sitting quietly in a corner of your home or garden, can hold hidden stories and secrets waiting to be discovered. Next time you spot an Aspidistra, take a closer look. There's a whole world of intrigue beneath those sturdy leaves, and more going on beneath the surface than you might ever imagine. The cast iron plant is not just a survivor in terms of toughness. It's a master of ingenuity, thriving through both resilience and clever adaptation. The Aspidistra's beauty is in its simplicity. Broad, glossy green leaves rising directly from the soil on sturdy stalks. Each leaf is lance-shaped with subtle veins and a deep, calming color. Its slow, steady growth makes it a long-lasting companion, rarely outgrowing its pot. The flowers are small and hidden at the base, designed for ground-dwelling pollinators, not for show. Varieties like Variegata and Milky Way add splashes of cream or white, offering visual interest. Whether solid green or speckled, the Aspidistra's form brings structure and quiet elegance to any space. It's a plant that rewards patience and observation. Its understated presence is its greatest charm. The nickname cast iron plant is well earned, and it's not just a catchy name. This plant truly thrives on neglect, making it a favorite for those who forget to water. It tolerates low light, infrequent watering, and temperature swings, thanks to its origins in the dim understory of East Asian forests, where conditions are far from ideal. Thick rhizomes store water, letting it survive drought and inconsistent care for long periods. Overwatering is its only real enemy. Otherwise, it's nearly indestructible and can outlast most houseplants. Its resilience made it a staple in Victorian homes, where it flourished despite poor light and air quality, becoming a symbol of endurance. The Aspidistra's legacy is one of strength and reliability, earning its place in plant history. Deep within the shaded forests of Japan and Taiwan, the Aspidistra elatia quietly thrived for centuries. This unassuming plant, with its broad glossy leaves, was perfectly adapted to the dappled light and rich undergrowth of its native habitat. For generations, it remained largely unknown to the outside world, blending seamlessly into the forest floor, a silent witness to the rhythms of nature. That all changed in the 19th century, when Western plant collectors, captivated by its hardiness and unique beauty, brought the Aspidistra to Europe. The journey from wild forest to cultivated gardens was just beginning. In Victorian Britain, the Aspidistra found its true stage. It flourished in the dim, smoky parlours of the era, environments where most other houseplants withered. Its ability to survive neglect and poor air quality made it a household staple, admired for its resilience and understated charm. Over time, the Aspidistra became more than just a decorative plant. It emerged as a symbol of endurance and respectability, frequently appearing in literature, paintings, and even songs. Its presence in art and culture reflected the values of the age: steadfastness, modesty, and quiet strength. Although it eventually fell out of fashion as tastes changed, the Aspidistra never truly disappeared. Its remarkable toughness and timeless silhouette have inspired a new generation of plant lovers, leading to a modern revival in homes and design magazines alike. Today, the Aspidistra is once again celebrated for the very qualities that made it a Victorian favourite: its resilience, elegant form, and incredibly low maintenance. It's a plant that asks for little, yet gives so much in return. The Aspidistra's journey, from the quiet forests of Asia to the bustling homes of Europe and beyond, is a testament to its extraordinary adaptability and enduring appeal. Even now it remains a living link between past and present, effortlessly bridging generations and styles with its quiet, steadfast presence. The Aspidistra is one of the easiest houseplants to place in your home. Just remember to keep it out of direct sunlight, as harsh rays can quickly scorch its broad, glossy leaves. Unlike many other plants that crave bright light, the Aspidistra actually prefers a gentler touch when it comes to lighting. It truly thrives in low to medium indirect light, making it an ideal choice for those tricky spots in your home. Think hallways, north-facing rooms, or even corners far from windows where other plants might struggle. Its adaptability means you don't have to worry about finding the perfect sunny spot. For soil, use a well-draining potting mix and allow the top inch or two to dry out between waterings. The Aspidistra is sensitive to overwatering. Soggy soil is its main enemy and can quickly lead to root rot. Always empty excess water from the saucer to keep roots healthy. Another bonus: the Aspidistra is perfectly content being slightly root-bound and rarely needs repotting. In fact, it can stay in the same pot for years without complaint, making it a great option for anyone who prefers a low-fuss plant. Comfortable in typical indoor temperatures, the Aspidistra tolerates drafts, temperature fluctuations, and even low humidity with ease. It's well suited to the dry air of heated homes in winter and doesn't mind a bit of neglect. Outdoors, in mild climates, the Aspidistra can be grown in shady gardens, where it forms dense, weed-suppressing mats under trees or along borders. Its tough, leathery leaves make it a reliable ground cover that requires little attention once established. Whether you grow it indoors or out, the Aspidistra's needs are simple: provide shade, ensure good drainage, and protect it from harsh elements like strong winds or heavy rain. Mulching can help retain moisture and keep roots cool in the garden. With its resilience and minimal care requirements, the Aspidistra truly is the definition of a low-maintenance plant, perfect for busy people or anyone new to houseplants. Caring for an Aspidistra is all about restraint. Overwatering is the most common mistake. Let the top inches of soil dry before watering and reduce watering in winter. Fertilize sparingly only during spring and summer, and always at half strength. Clean the leaves occasionally with a damp cloth to keep them glossy and healthy. Remove old yellowing leaves to maintain its tidy look. Propagation is easy. Simply divide the rhizome during repotting, ensuring each section has a few leaves. Pot up the divisions, water lightly, and you'll have new, resilient plants. The Aspidistra rewards minimal care with years of steady growth. The Aspidistra is more than a houseplant. It's a symbol of quiet strength and endurance. Its ability to thrive on neglect and adapt to challenging conditions makes it a perfect companion for any home or office. With its bold architectural leaves, it brings calm and stability to any space. It's ideal for beginners and busy people alike, asking little but giving much. The cast iron plant teaches us that true resilience is found in persistence and adaptability. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a first-time plant owner, the Aspidistra is a steadfast, beautiful choice. It's a living reminder that strength can be subtle and beauty can be enduring.